You are the one ordering them to go to the other side so that they can go and tear gas. Why are you tear gassing us? That's the question.
What have we done?
Mkafanyia kanisani, hakuna mkutano yote ambayo ni ya serikali. Mkutano yote ambayo ni ya serikali, mnajua njia ya kufanya mkutano ya serikali.
Hata macho yako inalia machozi.
Kwa heshima yake, asiseme hakuona barua. Mnasema barua ya kuomba. Serikali inasema uombe. Hakuna.
Na mkatae watu waombe mheshimiwa. You cannot limit our rights to worship. And here purely for our land.
No, I'm asking you, can we omba here? Can we pray here?
No, I'm asking you.
I'm asking you a
question.
Why
would you want to pray here?
Why not?
Then
pray, I didn't know. I pray in my home, I don't ask you for permission. I pray in my home and I do not ask you for permission. You don't know about tomorrow. Don't break the constitution of this country. We have come for prayers, Thanksgiving prayers. We have come for a church service. Why are you tear gassing us?